In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Workspace in ClickUp. Whether you're managing complex projects, overseeing campaigns, or supporting a dynamic team, keeping your ClickUp workspace organized is essential for staying productive and minimizing confusion. A well-structured workspace not only helps you and your team work more efficiently, but also ensures that everyone is on the same page. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to optimize your ClickUp workspace, so you can streamline your workflows and get the most out of this powerful platform. First, let's start with the foundation, defining the purpose of your workspace. Take a moment to identify its primary function. Are you using ClickUp to manage client projects? Maybe it's for tracking marketing campaigns or supporting specific teams. Once you determine the main purpose, discuss it with your team and make sure everyone is aligned. This clarity will guide how you build and organize the workspace moving forward. Next, simplify your workspace hierarchy. A clear structure makes everything easier to navigate. In ClickUp, you can use spaces for broad categories like departments or major functions. From there, create folders for subcategories, such as specific teams or projects. Finally, use lists for detailed tasks or individual projects. Be careful not to overnest your items. Keeping it simple and intuitive is key to ensuring your team can find what they need quickly. Now let's clean up your statuses. Standardizing statuses across your workspace will make your workflows smoother and more consistent. Use clear and meaningful labels like in progress, review, and complete. If you notice redundant or unused statuses, merge or remove them to avoid unnecessary clutter. Keeping statuses streamlined will improve clarity and help your team track progress more effectively. To save time on repetitive tasks, create and use templates. Templates are a game changer for recurring workflows. You can set up template lists, tasks, and even custom fields tailored to your specific processes. This ensures consistency and efficiency across projects, so your team doesn't have to reinvent the wheel every time they start something new. Another great way to save time is by setting up automations for routine tasks. Automations in ClickUp allow you to trigger actions based on specific events. For example, you can automatically assign overdue tasks to a supervisor or send notifications to your team as projects move through different stages. Let automations handle the repetitive work so that you and your team can focus on what truly matters. Speaking of organization, it's important to set up your custom fields thoughtfully. Group related fields together and label them clearly. This not only simplifies reporting, but also makes it easier for your team to access key information when they need it. Logical organization of custom fields ensures that your workspace remains clean and easy to use. To help your team stay focused, build role-based views and dashboards. Custom dashboards let you tailor the information each role or individual needs to see. For instance, managers might view high-level roadmaps, creatives can focus on task lists, and finance teams can track budgets. By customizing dashboards for different roles, you make updates and tracking straightforward for everyone. Streamline communication within ClickUp by using comments, tagging teammates, and setting up notifications. Keep discussions tied to specific tasks to reduce email clutter and ensure decisions are well documented. This way, everyone stays in the loop without needing to sift through lengthy email threads. It's also crucial to review your team's workload and capacity regularly. ClickUp has tools that allow you to identify which team members are overburdened and which ones might have more availability. Use this insight to adjust assignments during your weekly or bi-weekly check-ins, ensuring an even distribution of work and avoiding burnout. Finally, schedule monthly audits to keep your workspace tidy. During these audits, archive completed projects, remove outdated data, and refine your workflows based on team feedback. This habit will ensure your workspace remains efficient and up-to-date, helping your team stay productive over the long term. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start optimizing your workspace today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.